how self-inquiry will help us. How the inquiry about earning the money will help you. How the inquiry about your knee pain helps you. So, in Eastern wisdom, how the self inquiry helps us, it helps us to know our real nature versus the false nature. So, if I'm living in ignorance, I'm continuously impacted by the false nature which causes the suffering. So, once I do the self inquiry, I will find the real self. Yes, my emphasis is that we should first become a seeker. If we do not become a qualified seeker, nothing is going to happen. And to be a seeker, apply the 4 E's. First E is to explore by knowledge. Second is to experiment through contemplation and reflection and the practice. Third E is that you experience. Now you are learning from an experience. You do any practice of meditation, don't you find relaxed? But you do not contemplate and reflect the why it has happened. And the fourth E is enlighten. 4 E's. Are we learning about happiness in meditation? No, not at all. We are learning through the meditation that we are happiness. Why we are learning that we are happiness? So the mind stops running in the world seeking happiness in an object, in a situation, in a condition, in a relationship. We cannot find the happiness. That is a pleasure. So what's the difference between pleasure and happiness? Pleasure is short lived. We have to repeat it again and again, and happiness is permanent. It continues, it stays.